Are you getting the Odbc Library DLL error after the Open Database Connectivity Odbc core update? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. Let's restore that orphaned library and fix your app. Before we begin our Odbc library walkthrough, you can try the suggested utility to help clear environment conflicts and save time. This is the Odbc library, the Open Database Connectivity Odbc core shim. This legacy module manages the unmanaged redirection of SQL calls to the appropriate Odbc driver. It facilitates the orchestration of data source connection manifests and provides a standardized data link for 16-bit and 32-bit database apps. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. This error typically indicates corruption within the Windows system core. I recommend launching Command Prompt with administrative rights and running sfc/scannow to automatically replace missing or compromised files, such as Odbc Library DLL. If a standard reinstallation doesn't restore the library, we need to verify if the system environment is properly recognizing the new components. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Odbc Library. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. If you're still stuck after the reboot, stay with me. We're going to try a more targeted approach now. You can pause the video whenever you need to follow along. If you're still seeing that runtime message post-restart, it's time to reinstall the shared library components. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ Redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. To avoid future system conflicts, there is one specific security trap we should discuss. Don't let a small error become a total system rebuild by trying to force install Odbc Library DLL into directories where it doesn't belong. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. Review system security and background process optimization concepts using the maintenance kit linked below for Odbc Library. To keep Odbc Library running with a stable configuration, subscribe to our channel and like this video to help us reach more users in need of support.